this is Shivansh. Welcome to our channel. Today we're doing Celery Experiment. Shivansh, do you know what a plant needs to grow?
Yes, they need water, soil, sunlight, and air.
Shivansh, do you know how water passes through a plant?
No.
Today we're going to find out how that happens through this experiment.
What do we need?
We need something to stir, water, glass, food coloring, you can choose the color, a cutting board, some celery, and a knife.
And a lot of patience.
Let's begin.
First, take a fresh celery that has lots of leaves. Then, cut the white bottom part of the celery.
Pour the water into a glass. Add food coloring to the water. The darker it is, the better. Next, stir the water.
Next, add the celery in the colored water.
Now we wait a day.
It's been 1 day. Let's look what happened to the celery.
Look at the blue one. You can see specks of blue on the leaf. And if you look inside the stem, there's some blue in it too.
Let's look at the red one. The color of the leaves have changed.
Let's look at the orange one. The color has not changed much, but you can see some of the color inside the stem. Let's wait 1 more day to see what happens.
It's been 2 days.
Let's check on our celery.
The leaves have changed color. Well, this one hasn't changed color that much.
I have an idea. Let's compare them with a normal celery. You can see tiny specks of orange on this one. Let's find out what happened.
In the plant, the water comes from the ground to the stem, leaves, and flower.
In this example, the celery takes up the colored water through the stems and leaves, and then evaporates, leaving the food coloring in the leaves.
This process is called transpiration. Let's look at the bottom of the celery.
See those little tubes? They are called xylem. They help the plant take the water from the ground and transport it through the plant. Let's dissect the plant. We can see the xylem. They've turned red.
Let's see what happens when we tear it open.
Xylems.
Wow! How did the water move up the xylem? It's by capillary action.
Capillary action is movement of water through narrow tubes against gravity due to adhesion and cohesion.
The water molecules stick to the wall of the tube. That is called adhesion.
And water molecules sticking to each other is called cohesion. It's like climbing a cliff with a team.
As you go up, you pull your teammate up, and he pulls the next one.
In the same way, water molecules hold hands to travel up the plant. You try this experiment at home. We've covered capillary action before. The link for the video will be in the description box below. Like, share, and subscribe.